What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna do a little flashback video. This video is from probably like a couple months ago. No, not a couple months ago, maybe like a month ago or so. Yeah, I was working on my Mustang, my Bilt Mustang, and it lost power, and I needed to get it right because I got a lot of leaf jobs I gotta get done. So I worked on it. Never got around to posting it. So here's that video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want more videos like this. Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Self-Reliance Surgeon. And as you can see, I got my keys and I got this little tool right here in my hand, which is a valve adjustment tool. I have no idea how to use it, but I have to adjust the valves on my Bilt Mustang. So let's see what happens. Alright, as you can see, the leaves, well, mostly pine needles in my yard, are everywhere. We actually just had a little remnants of a hurricane. A branch over there broke by the trailer there. And so I've been trying to put this off for a month. My Mustang been down for like a month. And I thought it was the head gasket, but I talked to my friend Romeo, who is normally always right. So he said your valves probably need to be adjusted. So I bought this little bad boy online. I don't think I paid more than $10 for it, and I had it for about a month. But as I'm looking out here and seeing all these leaves fall, I'm like, bro, I need to get that Mustang back up and running. And so if y'all not familiar with what happened with it, the last time I used it, it lost its power. It was starting well and everything, but and it was running well. It just didn't have the normal amount of power. Like it had so little power. It is right here. It has so little power that it couldn't even go up hills, right? And so basically what was happening was the fact that it had just enough power to mow on flat ground and to mow on light grass. But I knew if I tried to do anything extraneous like mow tall grass or chop up leaves, it probably have a little problem. So I'm trying to get it started. The first thing I gotta do, so I'm gonna jump back in, is I gotta get this bagging system off, which these are the valves. The valves are in here. It's not that hard to get to. It's just that, you know, with this bagging system on, it'll be a little hard to get to, and it actually just has 2 bolts on each side, and it should come right off. So I'm gonna get it started up. I'm gonna move it up some, and matter of fact, I might move it around to my shed, so I won't have to sit in the mud. Yes, sir. Alright, people, I got in here. I adjusted these valves. On both sides, it was like oil on the bottom there. And I noticed the exhaust leaking, dripping oil on that side. On the other side there, I know it's dirty. I don't clean this. I just needed to run. But like I said, I don't know what that means. The reason I haven't, the last time I made a video for this, a clip for this video was like a week ago, because I didn't have this here. When I sat down to do it, I didn't realize I need this gasket maker. It's like basically like liquid gasket. So I need this when I put it back on. So I already did this side. I adjusted the valves on this side. Just finished adjusting the valves on this side. About to put this back on, I'm gonna let it sit for the night, and hopefully should be good to go. Yeah, I just needed a run. I just need to make it through this winter time. Just got a big leaf cleanup job. Y'all probably saw the yard, but I'm gonna be cleaning up those leaves like all winter time, so I need this bad boy to run. Like I said, I had two decisions. I could have sold this as is. Hey, come get it, bagging system, everything. Use that money to flip it, go get a bagging system for my Gravely. Or I can just, it might be a simple fix. This might have been all I needed. What if I adjust these valves and that's it? I know it's probably not it because it's leaking oil, but if it gets me through the winter time, I will be happy. So let me get this cleaned up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.